Hey guys, I am John. You're watching our channel Tech by John. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make YouTube thumbnail, logo, or poster etc. in one click. If you are interested, watch till end. Make sure you can like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's start the video. If you want to edit everything in single click, then click on the link which given in the description. When you click on the link, you can see a new page. You can scroll down on this page, and you can see an option, I am not a robot. You can click on it. Then you can scroll down and wait 15 seconds, then you can click on the go to link, then you can scroll down and wait, then click open, and wait 5 seconds and click on the get link. And then download this application. When you open the app, you can see a search option, type here, thumbnail. You can see different types of thumbnails. You can also edit logos and posters here. Thanks for watching.